Look at the marine growth on the coupling rod right here. It confirms the age.
Are we getting a positive ID on the manufacturer markings yet?
The corrosion around these rivets is extensive.
The structural integrity is severely compromised.
What's the All right, take it up slow. Watch the chains on the left side. Clear over here, keep it coming up.
Look at this connection point here. It seems structurally compromised.
We should prioritize stabilization before cleaning.
Look at the corrosion on this coupling mechanism. It's worse than the scans indicated.
We'll need a full material analysis before we apply the coating.
All right, lift it steady now. Holding position on the high pressure line.
Let's get the measurements for the boiler mounts.
I'll bring the lift over to the access panel.
Pressure gauge is holding steady.
Good. Let's check the fittings one last time before we fire it up.
Check the schematic again before we reroute power to auxiliary.
It matches. Worker E, secure that hydraulic line.
It's tight. Ready for pressure test.
The coverage looks perfect on this section.
Agreed. No runs or holidays visible.
Watch the clearance on the left. Move it slowly. Copy that. Moving slowly. All right, bring it forward slowly. Watch the gap, watch the gap. And steady. It's on the track.
It's working.
She actually runs.
Controls clear on the left.
Clear on the right. Proceed with caution.
The primary manifold pressure is spiking. Check the regulators now.
Regulators responding. Levels are normalizing.
Set her down gently. Hold it, hold it.
Contact! Contact!
Secure the chains quickly.
All right, keep it coming straight. Clearances look good on this side. Copy that. Watch the light pole coming up on the right.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the right side. Steady now, easy does it.
To think this is 200 years old. It looks brand new.
Okay, everyone, look right here. Say train.
It's so shiny.
Look how big the wheels are. This locomotive spent 2 centuries beneath the waves before its recovery. The preservation process allows us to see the
After 2 centuries beneath the waves, the mighty Leviathan is finally revealed to the world.
Wow, look how big it is.
It is magnificent, isn't it? Imagine traveling in that.
Look how the brass fittings gleam. The restoration work is stunning. Yeah,
It's hard to believe this is 200 years old, let alone that it was underwater.
What a stunning transformation. It looks incredible.
Yes! I can't believe how well preserved it is.
For 200 years, the story of this locomotive was lost to the depths. Today, we...
Wow, that is absolutely stunning.
I can't believe how well preserved it is.
The restoration work is incredible.
It's hard to believe it was underwater for so long.